What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your LinkedIn account. If you've decided that you no longer need your LinkedIn account, here's how to permanently close it using your computer. First, open up your browser and head to linkedin.com. After logging in to your LinkedIn account, go to the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Me icon and then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Settings panel, look at the left-hand side and click on Account Preferences. Scroll all the way down until you reach the Account Management section. Here, you will see two options: Hibernate Account and Close Account. Hibernate is a temporary deactivation where your profile is hidden but can be restored later. Since we are permanently deleting the account, click on Close Account. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm whether you are sure you want to close your account. You will see a list of things you will lose access to, such as your connections, messages, endorsements, and profile history. If you are certain, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for closing your account. Pick the option that best fits your situation, or select Other if none apply. Then click Next. LinkedIn will ask you for your account password to confirm the closure. Enter your password and click on Done. Your account will now be closed. Keep in mind that while your profile is immediately removed from LinkedIn, it may take a few weeks for your public information to disappear from search engines like Google or Bing. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.